blessed afternoon to each and everyone. So kanina
Afternoon,
galing
ma'am.
ako sa Pilipino, ngayon naman sa English. Talagang napapasabak yata ako, Sir Barbie. Okay, so kumusta naman po yung township training?
Okay.
Parang naliday kayo sa amin. Uwi-uwi na ba? O naubos na yung energy ninyo? So, this training on the revised grade 6, 9, and 10 curriculum provided you with a lot of strategies, approaches, tools that are that you will be using when you go back to your classroom. Di po ba? So, in this training, you have been equipped with these tools, strategies. But remember that you, as the teacher, is the one who will transform the lives of our learners. So every child is entitled to have a well-prepared teacher. Yun yung pinaka-dream natin sa Department of Education. Hindi lang sa mga lesson plan na meron tayo, but we should be prepared by having a clear purpose and a heart that will inspire our learners to learn. So, our success as teacher is not measured by the competencies that we imparted to them all throughout the year. Di po ba? Ano nga daddy, suro tayo lang. Okay, sige, may bagang aminan, may surong aminan. Pero, hindi naman pala tumitimo sa puso ng ating mga mag-aaral. So, let us make it a mindset that when we teach, we should teach with a heart and let our learners feel that they are valued, they feel confident and inspired to learn. So, sana, pagbalik ninyo, magkaroon tayo ng pagbabago ng ating perspective that we're going to teach with a heart and let our learners feel that they are important and they are important to us and what we do to them matters. So I hope that you will go na bago-bago ninyo yung mga natutunan nyo dito. And together, let us continue to make meaningful learning experiences to our learners. Let us make it more enjoyable and transformative. So God bless us all and thank you very much for joining us.